So we're here at 52014 Township Road 360, where we're going to take a look at this nice little ranch that just got listed. You can see there's a nice mix of spruce and poplar coming into the entrance to the house. The house is a 1,260 square foot bi-level. It has a stucco finish and a metal roof. It's a maintenance-free exterior with vinyl-clad windows. It's got a fully developed basement, in-floor heat, and I just can't wait to show it to you. It's so cute inside. But out here, we've got a turnaround driveway, a double detached garage with cement floors. It's insulated. You can see that the property is serviced with natural gas. There's also a secondary heating system for the hot water heat, which runs on coal. But there is also a hot water boiler inside. The house has just tons of curb appeal. It's got a really nice little wraparound deck, some pretty landscaping, mature trees all the way around. Here's a well, and there's power, so you could put an RV in this area here. Little tarp shed. Now we're just coming alongside the house. You can see it's a park-like yard. A couple of wood sheds. And that's for the wood stove downstairs. But there's also a fire pit area right back over here. And then we've got a little greenhouse. A little potting shed. And back in behind here is a garden. So right now, at the back here, I'm looking to the north. That's the west. The house has a south exposure. And you can see how private the yard is. There's a septic tank system here. And then the house has a wraparound deck with a hot tub. There's also a large 40 by 80 shop on the property and a full solar system. It's back in here, and I'll take you out there in another video. And we'll just have a quick look. So for now, I think we'll just go into the house, which I'm so excited to show you. Just love this place. So one of the things I really like about this house is it's not just your basic home. It's got just some really nice touches. One of the first things you notice when you walk in is this large entry. Nice wide staircases up to the upstairs. And I love how you can see the basement from here, which we'll go down in a while. You've got double closet here for your coats. And then you can see where they can showcase, or you can showcase, on the walls and the shelf up there, whatever you like. So I'm just going to step in. You can see the lovely hardwood floors. This is throughout the main floor. And here's this kitchen. Look at all the windows. It's so bright. You don't need curtains because nobody's going to see anything but Mother Nature out the windows. You've got patio doors onto the deck. A nice sized eating area. A kitchen island. Wired and set up as a breakfast bar with a collapsible optional shelf. White cabinets, white appliances, gas stove, which I love, instant on, instant off. Then there's a walk-in pantry. And the floor plan is open to the living room. Vaulted ceilings. I love the Southwestern Tex-Mex colors that they've used in here. It just suits it as a ranch home. Now, every ranch home or farm needs a really good boot room. Well, this is one of the best I've seen. We've got a nice large boot room that leads out to the back deck. You've got lots of coat space and boot space. And there's a 2-piece bath here, so you don't have to run through the house when you need to use the facilities. So a great place to clean up when you come in from outside. And then it steps out onto the deck. There's the hot tub. Some nice privacy screening, though you really don't need it. And then the wraparound deck. And there's the patio doors into the kitchen, and you can see it's absolutely a maintenance-free exterior. We've got the metal soffits and fascia, vinyl-clad windows, stucco exterior. Not sure if I mentioned, but this house was built in 2002. So coming back into the boot room, we'll continue exploring the house. So here's a nice size linen closet. And the laundry, main floor. And then there's 2 bedrooms upstairs, so we'll go into the master first. This room also has a vaulted ceiling. Nice big closet, all mirrored. This is quite a big room too. You could easily put a king-size bed in here. And then it opens into the bathroom, which is a 3-piece with a walk-in tiled shower. Glass doors that slide or swing both ways. Glass block window. And then it comes out into the hallway and around the corner to the 2nd bedroom. I love the windows in this room. Nice big double closet. And here you have a built-in office. So this would be great for a bedroom office or a bedroom homework room for kids. There is a total of 4 bedrooms in this house, 2 up and 2 down. So let's head downstairs. You'd have no problems moving furniture in with this nice wide staircase. And you have nice curving staircases down to the basement. Large family room. And look at the size of these windows. These sunshine windows are bigger than most that you see. And that's one of the reasons I love the bi-level design. Have a wood stove. The cement floor is painted. It's all in-floor heat, so it's super warm and cozy. And there's understairs storage access on this side. And from this closet here, it's quite large because it goes under that whole front entry. But here they keep a freezer. And then you use the other doors for storage for Christmas items and things like that. Continuing along, here's the 1 bedroom. And it has the closet. Big windows. And then the 2nd bedroom, which would be the 4th bedroom for the house. Again, these are nice big bedrooms. They're about 13 by 12, if I remember. And then you have this nice big pantry. This room is not heated, which you don't want it heated when you're going to be storing your canning and vegetables. It's a nice big room. There's a beam vacuum system for the house. And then inside this closet is the utility room. So it houses the pressure tank from your well. A hot water tank that was installed in 2016. The boiler system. And the electrical panel, which still has lots of room. It's a 100 amp service. And here's this big bathroom. Again, the glass block window. It has the jetted tub. A large linen closet. There's lots of storage in this place. And that in-floor heat feels so nice. So that's the tour of the house. So join me in the next video and we'll have a look around at the shop area. Okay, thank you very much.